and I and your officer, bigyan niyo ng bangko si... we just had a meeting and direction, but if there is one thing that I can share it to you, I'd just like to extend it also to you of my congratulations. We, the Manila Police District, the men and women, uniform and non-uniform personnel all over the city of Manila, with the data that available with us, on behalf of the people of Manila as your mayor, would like to thank each and every one of you. The crime rate declined by 13%, double digit. Congratulations. So, keep it up. Mag-iingat kayo. Ha? Regular naman to. Itong ating command conference that includes our PCPs. So, mag-ingat lang kayo. Sino ba yung, kanino under yung kay Aga? Putang na, galing ng ATABS nyo. Very good. Yun ang mga ipinagpupuri natin na mga lespo natin. I don't want you to be in the incident, same incident. But given a chance, talagang nakaka-proud na pamunuan ng Manila Police District. May balbon talaga sa dibdib. While we practice restraint and try to follow rules, but also we are ready in any scenario. And that your police is a very good North Star for other, ano ba yung non-commission? Non-commission officer. Na minsan na kinakaldag natin sa kalsada o binabalagong natin sa kalsada. So, at makikita mo, di ba, parang nakaka-proud naman na may ganun tayong kasama. Sana pamarisan siya talaga. But for the meantime, happy weekend sa inyo.